How are you mga katami? Today we're going to cook chicken liver and gizzard stew or adobong atay balunan. Tara na't samahan ang inyong hugoterang kusinera sa pagluluto ng adobo. Ang adobong sisimutin mo sa sarap. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit like and subscribe so that you'll get updated with my new uploaded videos. The following are our ingredients. We have the onion, garlic, potato, chili, gizzard, tomato sauce, soy sauce, liver, powdered pepper, vinegar, and soda. Measurement and complete list are listed at the description box. Let's start the procedure by cleaning the gizzard. Make sure to remove all the fats. Alisin na ang taba na hindi kailangan. Parang pag-ibig lang niya sa'yo, inalis niya kasi hindi na niya kailangan. Let's start to add oil at the skillet. Start frying the chopped potatoes. Potatoes are rich in nutrients and it contains antioxidants and help improve our blood sugar level. Then saute the onions. Ang puso ko'y parang sibuyas. Dahil ikaw ang humiwa, sisiguraduhin kong ikaw din ang luluha. Add the chopped garlic. Yan ang bawang kapag ang mahal mo'y inaaswang para wag kang ma-high blood. Add the chopped gizzard. Saute the gizzard until it turns into slightly brown. Then start to add the liver and the heart of the chicken. Livers are loaded with iron that gives energy and also one of top source of vitamin A. Add powdered pepper. Add the soy sauce. Continue mixing all the ingredients. Halu-haluin mo lang. Kailangan, minsan, tanggapin mo na may mga taong kaya kang halu-haluin pero hindi ka kayang mahalin. Then add vinegar. Add lemon soda. Kung sabi ng utak mo, tama na, move on na, pero sabi ng puso mo, wag muna. Malay mo, mahal ka niya. Baka gusto mo ding tanungin ang atay balunan. Baka may opinion sila. Let it boil and simmer around 5 to 10 minutes and then cover it. Then let's add the tomato sauce. When it boils, remove the liver so that it will not be overcooked. Because the gizzard is hard, allow it to boil for a few minutes. Matigas, pero masarap ang balun-balunan. Separate the gizzard from the sauce. On the same skillet, add oil. Then fry the gizzard. The flavor of the meat comes out when you fry them the second time. Parang pag-ibig lang. It is sweeter the second time around. Then add also the liver and fry it. Fry them until it turns into golden brown. Nagtataka ako, bakit may araw ng mga puso? Bakit walang araw ng atay at balun-balunan? Puso lang ba ang mahalaga? You may put back the sauce after it turns into golden brown. Muling ibalik ang sabaw. Muling ibalik ang tamis ng pag-ibig. Muling pagbigyan ang pusong nagmamahal. Then add red chili. Spicy food, aside from adding flavor, is as well healthy to your body. It depends on your preference of saltiness, but I decided to add 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. I then have added the fried potatoes. Allow it to simmer and boil until the sauce thickens. Mas malapot ang sabaw, mas masarap. This is a must-try recipe, and indeed, this one is so delicious. Hindi sapat ang salitang nagmahal lang naman ako para gawing rason kung bakit ka nasaktan. Oo, nagmahal ka, pero puro puso lang ang pinairan mo. Ilan ba organs natin? May atay, baga, balon-balunan pa. May utak din na ginagamit kung walang patutunguhan ang relasyon nyo. Bakit mo pa ipagpipilitan? Once the sauce is already thick, that means it is already cooked. Now it's done. Our spicy Adobong Atay Balunan or Liver and Gizzard stew. Once again, thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe so that you'll never miss all the videos of Hugoterang Kusinera Happy Tummy Filipina. Samahan niyo ko sa mga susunod pang hugot cooking ko. Bye! Thank you for watching!